So we want to get IntelliJ into our computer right away. So just type download IntelliJ. Hope you are seeing my Chrome.
Yes, I can see it.
All right, so just type download IntelliJ. Just search for it. All right, so I'm going to open it up on a new tab actually, whichever works best for you. So it opens up to this new tab. So you see it as this, and you have IntelliJ, two options for ultimate and for community, right? So for the ultimate, there is actually a free 30-day trial available, and the ultimate is majorly used by enterprise. Okay, yes, I'm with you.
Should I click download?
No, not yet. I want to explain something before you download, please. So just like we saw while downloading our JDK, we also have IntelliJ available in Windows, Mac, and Linux. So first off, make sure that the right platform is selected, which in this case is Windows. Now we'll be downloading the IntelliJ for community, not for ultimate. Is that right? So for community, definitely it provides us with every other thing that we'll be needing as far as our Java class is concerned. Is that right? So click on download under community. Is that right? Click on download under
Yes, sir.
community, making sure that the .exe is selected and it should download. So it says, well, thank you for downloading IntelliJ. All right, your download should start shortly. If it doesn't, please use the direct link. All right, so I think it's about 500 and something or 600 and something thereabouts.
MB, yeah.
Yeah. So I've actually downloaded this the same day I downloaded my JDK. So I already have it sitting on my computer. Is Joy still with us? Joy, are you still with us?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Hope you are
Has
seeing.
has your JDK downloaded?
No, I need to check it. It has not downloaded. Like, it's taking so much time. It's like saying 15 minutes left.
Okay.
Okay, no, 12 minutes left.